In this video, I'll show you how to put TP-Link into the bridge mode. First of all, bridge mode, you'll need to know that it disables the TP-Link router routing feature and basically lets another router handle the Wi-Fi, DHCP, NAT, and port forwarding. People usually do this when using some iRow or Google Nest Wi-Fi, some Deco, or another main router. And you'll have to note that not all TP-Link model have a true bridge mode button. Sometimes you must use access point mode or just disable the DHCP manually. So first of all, if you have a desktop or PC, phone, whatever you want, you'd like to connect to the TP-Link router. You can connect using an Ethernet cable or via basically the Wi-Fi on your PC or phone. Once you do so, you'll need then to open the TP-Link admin page. You'll either have to go to open the browser and go to tplinkwifi.net, or you'll have to go to 18 or 192.168.0.1 or 192.1 point of course 168.1.1. One of these three will take you to the admin page. You'll need to log into your router using your admin, especially if you're connected to the internet connection, if you are especially connected with Ethernet. If not, you'll find those username and password behind your router. Once you logged in, you should find yourself in such a page. And I'm not going to tell you where to click exactly because it will depend from one router to another. So you'll basically have to look for operation mode. So on operation mode, as I said, you may not find a bridge mode. So if true bridge mode exists, just go and choose it and enable it. If not, choose access point mode. This will basically disable most routing functions automatically. Also, for older like TP-Link routers, you can just go to DHCP or DHCP, go to DHCP settings and make sure to disable that, then save it, and of course then reboot your router. If you want on the newer options, if you don't want to keep looking under the settings, you can just go and restart your router like factually or factory reset, not even restart. And once you factually reset, as example, your router, you try to go into the instructions of setting up your router. And once you do so, you'll find yourself on internet setup and you'll find the internet connection type. You'll be able to set this as a bridge from there. Or if you want to, and you may even have the option to go to network and to IPTV without resetting, as example, /VLAN. And then you'll find then the IPTV/VLAN option. You can enable that, then choose the mode bridge, then save that up. So yeah, I can't show you exactly how to do it, as I said, because there are different TP-Link models. So I showed you, or I talk about briefly each version, and you can do the rest yourself. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.